Hey guys, market is still open. Welcome back though. Hopefully you had a good Wednesday. Called it out yesterday's video. I was bullish on Tesla to 500. I wasn't expecting it to be today, the next day. November 17th, I'm like, this thing's gonna go to 500 before it goes to the S&P 500. It did it almost today. This is insane. $494 on Tesla. Up 11% today. It's almost at all-time highs. This was all-time high right here. What is this? I use Weeble. This is stupid. Not 498. Incorrect. Robinhood 502.49. So we're almost there, and by the bell today, I think we will touch all-time highs, and I think we will break it. This is crazy. So basically recap today. Whoa, SPY's ripping up now. SPY dropped down. Our long term is one of our best days we've had so far in the long term. We're at 23K, 23,200, $756 up just today. That's insane. This week, yeah, this is crazy. The last 2 days. So 3.39% just today. A lot of that's Tesla. So we had this credit spread that I rolled over to extend because this was going to expire in the money, and I was going to take max loss on this, which was 500. I rolled it over and added more collateral, so it was max loss of 1,000. But now our credit on 608. With these though, since it's a spread, you have to kind of wait on time some. If it was just a naked call, say, you could get a lot right now, and then time hurts you. But since the spread, we're not going to get, this isn't going to go to 80% or 100% total return, basically. So it's got to be closer to the expiration. We're just too far out. But this is crazy. It's 80%. It's pretty much all today. These contracts were worth $1.48 this morning, market open, and now they're worth 60 cents. So I could close it out, but I want to get that last 20%. Even if it pulls back a lot, which it probably will, I think it'll be above 420 by December 4th. But it'll get up to like 90 something percent, assuming before December 4th, and I'll close it then. But this helped us a lot today, and then the debit spread. I also opened up one debit spread. This one's up 53% just today. I did a debit spread instead of a naked call because the calls are expensive on Tesla, and the max gain on this debit spread is $500 on $145 contract. So I'm fine with that. I'm not going to get to that max gain until more time passes, again, because it's a spread. Since I sold a call also, I have to wait, right? Because the call I sold is losing value at the same time as the call I bought is gaining value. So basically I have to wait on spreads. Wait a little further. And if you look at the options profit calculator, you can kind of see how that works. So credit spread, kind of like a credit spread, but it's a debit spread with a call spread. I'll just put that play into it. It's going to be different numbers right now because different when I bought it, but 45 and 490 for December 31st. What did we buy? We bought 45 December 31st. Where are you, December 31st? 45 call. Not even on here. Good job. Good job. Is this the right option? Wait, it's down here? I'm really confused. 5. Oh, okay, 45's up here. Anyways, all right. 45 call we bought. I haven't used this one in a long time actually. So we bought the 45. Then we sold the 490. So we write 490 call. Sold. So same expiration, different strike price. When we bought, when we sold. Buying is buying, writing is selling. So let's calculate. It's going to be different now than what I see, but so there you see it. Now that the strike price is so much higher, it pretty much just has to stay above this 492. Because max gain on this thing, let's see. Yeah, 490, like I said. If it closes above 490, we'll get max gain on it. So when I bought this, the chart looked more like diagonal. But now that the share price has come all the way up to 45, or never mind, 490 something, it's going to be good. So it's at that 53% profit right now with the share price at 490. So basically we want the time to run out on it. For us to get max gain this early, it would have to be way up. So let's change this. So look, max gains is 119, right? 119%. Hit $200. 35 and a 4. Oh, because that's after our cost. After our cost basis of 145, maybe. Yeah, something like that. Maximum risk 220. It's different because it's a different time, but maximum return to 72. Basically, our max gain is the difference between strike prices, which is 500, minus the 145, which is net profit. Gross profit's 500. So we're not gonna get to that though. I think this is all still applicable. So basically, it would have to hit. Look at that. If we were to get max gain on this contract early, if we were to get it today, because this is today, November 18th, it would have to go, no, we couldn't even get it today, it'd have to be tomorrow. And tomorrow would have to go up to $1,000. So you can see this 119 in here. This is all showing where you're gonna get max profit on this debit spread. So it's got this diagonal pattern this way, because that's time. Time moving to the left to the right, strike price moving up and down. So as time goes by and you're in the money, it's gonna become more valuable. Not in the money, but above that top strike price, which is 490. So yeah, we've got some ways to go on this actually. I wasn't even thinking that this is my top strike price is 490. So it was aggressive. I thought it'd be at over 500 or over by then. So as long as it's, you know, above 490 by expiration, which is December, is that showing just January? December 30th? December 20, yeah, 31st, okay. Then we're gonna get max profit on this. But this kind of shows why you have to wait for time on debit spreads. It's just like credit spreads in that sense, where the credit spread you're waiting for time to decay, so it expires worthless. When you're waiting for time to decay, so it expires, so the one you sold expires worthless, and the one you bought, you know, has a value. Anyways, that's that one. So this is up to, even if it goes up to 100%, max gain on it's over 100%. Whatever 500 divided by 145 is max gain, so it's like 400% maybe. I don't know percentages that quick in math. That's tough. But this is our long-term account. Fresh today. That's a long explanation on Tesla, but Tesla's a big gainer for all this. AbbVie went up today. It seemed like kind of a COVID type day. Airlines were up, and then Biden was talking something about, I don't know, staying at home, lockdowns, because then Zoom started running up. Same with Peloton. I kind of missed out on those, but the airlines will probably get crushed. But you see here, CNK, all pre-COVID stuff was going up today. Rocket, I don't really know what's going on with Rocket. Tesla, baby, it's gonna do it. It's doing it. It's crazy. It's crazy. It did it the day after I said it's gonna hit 500. I was not expecting that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Rocket. There's no news on this as far as I could see. Yeah, it's just normal correction, I guess. I mean, it's definitely in a downtrend though. Look at this. MACD crossed over here. Red bars below the 9 moving average. Then today, solid red bars. And it's about to, hopefully it doesn't cross over the 180 moving average. That wouldn't be good. Oh, because I'm doing it right now. If you look at Rocket's daily chart, and this is kind of what I was looking at, and I don't want to admit it, but it looks like this is a high, and this is a high. This is a low, this is a low. So lower highs, right, and lower lows. So it looks like it's just at the top of the range, and it's going to come back down. I'm not happy to say it, but yes, do it for me. All right, I don't know. Not happy to say it, but it looks to me like, oh, I'm on Tesla, going all over Tesla. Anyways, you can see it. Lower high, lower low. It looks like it's at the top of the range. So it might be coming back down here. Hopefully it holds a support of IPO of like 1750. But I think a call credit spread on Rocket, I probably should set up, even though I'm long on this. In the long term, it's good to make money on the way down too. If it doesn't hold support at this 180 and it drops, then yeah, it's definitely gonna continue on this pattern of lower highs and lower lows. That's what's going on with Rocket. It's depressing. But Tesla, $462 today just on the shares. This is insane. This is insane. Solo, another EV play went up. GP's EV also, that went up. This account's at all-time highs. I opened up a stupid Boeing play today. It was dumb. It's really cheap though. It was a debit spread for 30 bucks. About their Air Max news and whatever that was. But so we made another $100 today actually on the SPY credit spread. So look at this. Bada bing, bada boom. Open up that credit spread. Remember on Monday I opened up one? This is so confusing. You're to open one. Yeah, open on Monday with a bearish outlook. And yesterday came around, Tuesday. And like I wasn't too sure, but I was like, it looked like we're still gonna be bearish. I opened up 3 more, I think. I had a total of 4. Anyways, credit was $100. SPY had to close below 360. What it was? Something. I had to close below 363. So it basically came down enough. It was cheap. Lost enough value that I closed it out, which is always good to do on your credit spreads, is close them out early. And I realized you can't actually close it out for $1 per contract because then you don't have enough, not enough for both legs, right? I think whenever I've done it for 1 penny to close out a credit spread, it's never closed it because then it's, you can't do 50 cents per, per call that you bought and call that you sold. So it's always got to be, I think, 2 cents or $2 to close it, because then you get $1 for both. Otherwise, you'll let it just expire, which can be fine, but you can get screwed that way too. If the SPY shoots up, or if there's ex-dividend and someone wants to exercise one portion of your leg or do something cheeky like that, then you're screwed. So that's why I closed it out early. But yeah, that was a nice little $100 play I'm stoked on. And I'm bearish for tomorrow too. So we'll see tomorrow. SPY doesn't have an expiration until Friday. We'll see what tomorrow does. But if it kind of stays like this, I'll probably set up another call credit spread as a bearish play. Look at that. As our video goes on, Tesla continues to reach. Oh, now we're trending. Cool. Oh, because I did it on that one. I get it. Tesla. Look, Tesla's going to hit 500 right now on the video. This is crazy. All right, so I have to do it on this one. There we go. We'll do this while Tesla hits 500 a share. And look at this high. And look at that high. What I was trying to do. Other one. Fastest graph drawer ever right there. So like I said, it's kind of looks like it's kind of hit this, and it's gonna hopefully it hits that 1750 support. It'd be nice if it kind of just found another support maybe right here. This one, good. This is a possibility. It could find support right here, this previous support. Yeah, do that Rocket. Better idea. Or just stay up there, go back up. All right, that's my plays for today. On the Webull account, didn't do much. I got a Citibank call, I think, because they were announcing something with PayPal. Not PayPal, but I can't even remember the news. But we'll see on that. Real small play. 4th of December, $60 strike. Got 2 of them. Facebook put had some value today, and then it went down. Not sure if I paid a premium for that. It's still kind of just heavy consolidation, so I feel like I should scale into that. Maybe Facebook looks like it's about to just drop. Maybe it's about to no, I think it's gonna drop. Yeah, I should buy more of these. I'll buy one right now on stream. On pre-recorded stream. Oh, 15th January. Just see what they're trading at. Kind of expensive. Buy another one. Here's my position, $68. You know, it hasn't lost a whole lot of value, only 9%. I'm gonna wait. I don't need any more exposure. That's expensive enough. I don't like naked ones anyways. If that was a put spread, put debit spread, yeah, maybe. Regen, AL, these are all the same. This account's doing good though because DraftKings. That DraftKings running up today. Here's our position. Looks good. Like it. Finally, we've been waiting for DraftKings for a bit. I bought it back here at $44 right here. Right here on this run, maybe? Somehow I bought it in here. I don't know. Here, maybe? Yeah, on this day. Anyways, it came down a lot. But yeah, now we're back up. And that helps. The shares are what get us out of the hole on sometimes. It's up 153 on it so far. It's got a pretty good position, 44 shares. I'm going to change this to margin accounts. Then I can sell covered calls and sell puts. E-Trade account, same deal. We have DraftKings shares on here too, up 8% on it overall. AMC shares up 10% today, still down on it. These are all going to expire today, all these bearish positions I had from like a month ago. So that's what kind of hurt this account. UVXY call and VIX call don't expire until January, and I think those are still good plays. So that's it for me, guys. Comment in the section, comment down in the section below once Tesla's hit 500. All right, sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money, so stick around. See you tomorrow. I will be doing a recap video on our wheel account strategy, wheel account on probably not today or tomorrow, but maybe Friday. Yeah, because I haven't opened up any more positions. We've only got $700 buying power, and there's nothing I want for that right now. So see you tomorrow. Peace out.